Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we often talk about how Microsoft is polluting the Windows environment with unnecessary ads everywhere. And one other place where it's happening right now is, of course, if you are using the Mail app. If you're still capable of being just on the Mail app, you didn't have any ads. You were getting just your content as it should be. But when you switch from the Mail app to Outlook app, and eventually this year everybody will have to be there, if you ever used Outlook online and you don't have a paid account of any kind, you will see that, and I always found that to be a little too much. Posting what looks like an email, but in reality it's an ad, and they did that a lot. Microsoft does that a lot on Outlook. Now, because I'm subscribed to Outlook or Microsoft 365, I don't see that because I don't have ads because of the subscription side of things. But for most people that are not subscribed, some emails, when you go online directly, you see some emails that are actually ads disguised as emails. Well, unfortunately, when you will switch from Mail to Outlook, you will actually have the same crappy email ads that are in there. It does say it's an ad. There is a little bubble that says ad, but still, I think it's a very sleazy way of doing things. Just kind of creating something, going to the effort of creating something that looks like a legitimate email, but in reality it's not. It's really an ad. That's kind of not good. I mean, people are going through it, has the same format and all. It is sad to see that Microsoft is pushing so hard for that type of crap in their products and services. It really ruins the experience. And this, I could see why a lot of people would say, well, I don't want to use Outlook. I don't want to have that. So be prepared if you switch to the Outlook app and use the Outlook app. But from what I see right now, most of you don't really like the new Outlook app. That is basically the Outlook web experience, just disguised as an app. But it's sad to see that ads will also be pushed in there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.